Hi, Vinay from V Competency Tech. Uh, Here we are learning the SparkLine, the magic of SparkLine, how we can draw chart in any Excel cell direct. So bar chart in Excel I completed, and win loss chart in Excel I completed my previous video. Now we will see the column chart. So if we see here, this is previous I was explaining about the win loss. So let me modify the data first. So here I will see the column chart, and data I will give 75, 60, 80, 100, 30, 10, and 55. Here I will give like 40, 35, 60, 70, 90, 100, and 40. I'll give some data here like 10, 55, 40, 80, 75, 88, 23. Hundred, 40, 75, 55, 60, 68. Okay, so data I have given like this, and we'll see the how we can create this data bar chart. Okay, so there is a formula, data in a column chart. Okay, so see, spark line, and this is the range A5, D5. This I will change right now. Here chart type I have given column, axis true, axis color red. Okay, so this I will take. Before that I will change the range. So for first time I need to check the range, that is B3 and here H3. So I will give here B3 and H3. Okay, copy, and here I will paste it. Something wrong. Color. see the range. Okay. Oh. 3. Paste. So this is the column chart. And here we can give color, yellow, so it will come like this. So I will drag and drop. So this is the column chart. These are the data for item 1, and this is the chart. These are the data for item 2, and this is the chart. This is the data for item 3, and this is the column chart. This is becoming by using the SparkLine functionality, and there we are using chart type column. So for item 4 also, see, this is okay. If you go like this, I have freezed, so it is coming. Okay. So if you want to change the color, so here for this you can change the color yellow to red, so this will become red, and here you can give green, so it will become green. Here you can give pink, so it will become pink. So like that you can distinguish. So this you can give pink color, something like this. This you can give green, this you can give green. Okay, this you can give red, this yellow. Okay, see, so for this item we have data from Monday to Sunday, and this data graph is coming like a column chart here. Now I'm coming to item 2. Item 2, Monday to Sunday data is coming like this column chart. You can see Monday, this item we can say that selling. What is the selling? Right, sales. Sales table. Okay, if I give sales table, these are sales item. Monday sales is 75, then 60, then 80, then 100, then 30, then 10, then 55. So the graph is coming like that. If you see item 2, see the graph is coming like this. The same is for item 3. These are the sale price, sale data, how much sale happened for this item Monday to Sunday. The graph will come like this. So this is the item 4. So like that, this is a simple example, but if you want to use it for your any calculations, any Excel data preparation, and if you want to show the chart of these cells, so you can prepare according to your requirement, and you can change the color as well here. Okay, the simple formula is here, see, is equal to SparkLine. This is the range, and chart type I have given column, axis true, axis color red, color yellow. Okay, so it will come like this. Next video we will do for line, chart type line. So I will explain that in the next video. So if you like this video, please click on red color subscribe button, and please click on the bell icon. Thank you.